one of them, but which one? Which ones?
Pretty fishy what happened to me on that ladder.
You mean where there's a fish there could be a penguin?
But wait, it happened at sea. See? See for Catwoman.
Yet, an exploding shark was pulling my leg.
The Joker.
All adds up to a sinister riddle.
Riddler. Riddler? Oh, thought strikes me. So dreadful I scarcely dare give it utterance.
The four of them. Their forces combine.
Holy nightmare.
Batman, could it be?
I don't know. But I think I know where to find a clue. Come on, Robin. To the Batcave. We haven't one moment to lose.